machine at home. We use machine at home every day. We watch show with a workshop. We write with a dryer. We food and with the freezer. We make the gnome with the shelf. We make cake with the mixer. We make cake shake with the blender. What machine do you use every day?